delivery of justice in the past.
Kapod wani weche mag doho ni migawo mar doho oyango ni nok ma jong'ad buche omako nyaka doho ma Machakos momiyo thoth buche e kaunti no odhuro. Commissioner Caroline Zilani owacho ni gibiro timo manyalore mar neno ni omed ndik jotije doho no. Omedo bende puoyo kaunti ma Machakos kuom chiwo eka maromo 20 mar medo gero apise mag doho no. Bende ne giyango e limbe e kaunti no kuma ne giromo kod jong'ad buche, okinde kod jotije mamoko mag doho.
Tumeweza kujulishwa kwamba viongozi wa area hii ya Machakos, governor ameahidi kutupatia eka 20 za ujenzi. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana governor wa Machakos, na tutaenda kuangalia vile tutaendelea kushikana kwa hii mambo ili tuhakikishe tumejenga nafasi zinazofaa na nafasi zinatosha kwa wafanyikazi wetu kuketi na kuhudumia mwananchi.
So we do not want to be perceived to be an institution that is captured by anyone. We want to be completely independent, so that even as public comes for dispute resolution within the institution of the judiciary, they know that they have an institution that is credible, an institution that can be trusted to do the right thing in terms of administration of justice. That is one. Then secondly, even as we take seriously the issues of independence of the judiciary, we also be accountable to the public, because matters of accountability is a constitutional imperative, and we want to not only just say it by word, but also apply it by deed.
Jodak mawod mabunyala eka chung'od bura mabudala